How do you like our book segments?
Very, very good. Yeah, very nice. Thank you so much for inviting me here and helping me promote the book, Karna. Yes.
Okay. So tell us a little about Karna, because since it's a very struggleful life he has in mythology in Mahabharata, tell me, why did you choose it specifically like Karna?
So primarily I chose him because he is a very I would say he has a lot of angst within him. There's a lot of pain within him, and also because a lot of my readers they wanted to read about Karna. So I was like, जो readers मांग रहे हैं उनको दो यार. Why to give them something that they don't want?
Exactly. नहीं, हमें भी book
Yeah.
काफी पसंद आई है because I have read the book.
Yeah.
So tell me about the Karna का जो struggle है. Karna has a struggle in relationships with his sons. So tell me, how does this impact his life as in your book character?
How does Karna's life impact my life?
The struggle he has with
हाँ.
his children. So while writing this character, did you feel something like कि बहुत tough है लिखना, या
नहीं,
father
कर्नल लाइफ वेरी टफ. इसी जितना जितना ज्यादा एक कैरेक्टर के बारे में एक फिगर के बारे में लिखा जाता है उतना ज्यादा टफ है कि तुम उसको एक फ्रीडम दे सकते हो टू इंटरप्रेट इट इन डिफरेंट बिकॉज सो महाभारत इज अ वेरी एक्सटेंसिव सोर्स. लॉट कर्नल के बारे में बहुत कुछ लिखा हुआ है, तो वो एक थोड़ा टफ पार्ट हो जाता है दैट वी हैव टू मेक श्योर how can I write something which is new, relevant, but at the same time kind of respects the sources. So yes, it is absolutely tough, काफी tough है, but I kind of realize it's a losing battle because जितना भी आप try करोगे, आप हारोगे ही. So write what you know, write what you like, and I think that's what I did in my second book.
So as a writer, tell me कि who reads your like first draft जो होता है घर में या family related, something like that.
My first draft is always read by my editors.
Okay.
मेरे family में कोई नहीं पढ़ता मेरी किताबें,
Oh.
है ना? Though they know the story, then they help me create that story and everything. But yeah, I don't have readers in my family.
So while writing these books, these whole series, tell me, is there anything that you has evolved as a person, as a writer, while writing?
I have evolved in a way that I think more about, like not giving up wala attitude, which I think what Kanna had, and till the last breath that he drew, he didn't give up. He kept fighting. So I think that's what I think Kanna ka I've learned from.
Okay. So tell me कि जब आप कोई book लिखते हैं, तो the story forms पहले, या फिर then you finalize the character कि नहीं नहीं ये मेरा character होगा, ऐसे ऐसे.
नहीं पहले character and then उसके बाद फिर obviously story.
So as a writer आपकी journey में tell me कि जो सबसे अच्छा part as a writer आपको लगता है while writing these books, because obviously mythology you must have done a lot of research about it. So tell me a little about that.
Yeah, I think Mahabharata again is one of the most extensive research purpose source है, and I think what I do what I did also very interestingly was also read about Shivaji Savant's book on.
So is there any like space कि मैं जैसे हम mythology की अगर बात करें, या जैसे आपने एक पूरी series लिखी है, तो इसमें tell me कि ऐसा होता है कि as a writer you are writing, so ये मेरा personal space है and then I'll write it here. So ऐसा कुछ, या फिर specifically as a writer you on the go you are writing this?
I'm on the go. I'm on the go. Yeah. दो है obviously writing space जरूरी होती है, but I'm always on the go. वो रहता है.
So how do you develop your characters, like specifically कि if I'm writing about Karna or just take Kalki, so tell me कि how do you kind of make it to the story?
How do I develop? I think what I do is I make sure that I kind of first define a character, and then I make sure how do I give him or her the worst ending ever, or the worst way to suffer through this entire thing.
That is very
कितनी
surprising.
suffering दोगे उतना character build होता है.
Okay.
I think we all are like that, right? अगर if we don't have sufferings in our lives, I mean, we will not be able
Definitely.
to, be the people we are today.
Who doesn't like a tragic end, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, how do you like, when you are writing something like this in a series? Tell me what we can expect next.
I think Karna 3, of course, you can expect,
Okay.
and then I'll be coming out with, hopefully down the road, a larger series on Vishnu Avatars connected to my Kalki universe. So, yeah.
And what is your favorite characters out of this?
I think Karan obviously being the favorite. I think because he's someone that you can learn a lot from, and of course then Kalki is another book that characters I love.
So can you tell me one takeaway from each book, as in like करना का जो character है उससे one takeaway for you in your personal life and about Kalki की one takeaway from Kalki in your personal life.
Kalki personal life से यही take away है that just uh, don't be afraid of the death. It will come anyway. So and करना से ये है कि obviously the never give up वाला attitude.
Lastly, one advice for your readers ki in the chronology,
Yeah.
how they read the book.
I think you can read Karna as a separate series,
Okay.
Kalki as a separate series.
But in the end, will they connect?
No.
No, they will
Alag
remain
alag.
separate. Okay.
Thank you.
So would you like to give a shout out to Bookswag?
Yes, guys, definitely buy my books at bookswagon.com and run by very good people and very brilliant idea and I think very good discounts as well. So yeah, definitely get my signed copy at Bookswagon.